Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your earnings from your Grey.co account. So in case you earn in dollars, in pounds or in euro, maybe through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or any other online platform that you make money from, you can actually use Grey.co to withdraw your fund. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be showing you tonight. So firstly, you have to access your Chrome browser, then go to the official website app.grey.co in case you do not have the application stored in your phone. Alright, we'll wait for it to load. Then you can simply enter your email address and enter your password. Alright, my email is already saved. Then I can enter my password. Ensure to enter your password carefully so you don't have to repeat this process again. Alright, so Grey has a very strong security system. It says to log in, kindly enter the verification code sent to your email address. So usually I like to log into my email before I even come to Grey so that I can just minimize and then go straight to my email account to see the message from Grey. Alright, you can see the message, the first message from Grey. Verify your login attempt. Okay, so this is the message and this is the code 433955. So I'll minimize and go back to the place where I will have to enter the code 433955. 433955. So log into your account. Alright, it's loading right now, going straight to my dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, it says welcome Lucky, so your name will reflect at the top. Okay, so as you can see, the various balances, this is US dollar, but then tonight I'm going to be working with my Great Britain pounds balance. Okay, so I'm going to be withdrawing the 5.75 pounds here on this balance. Now as you can see, there's a euro account around here, and then you also have the Nigerian naira account around here. Now when you are going to withdraw from your Grey account, now what you have to do first of all is you convert from the foreign currency to your local currency, which is Nigerian naira. So tonight I'm withdrawing 5.75 pounds and I'm going to convert that first of all to naira, then I can withdraw it straight to my Nigerian bank account. Okay, so come back to the foreign accounts. In this case we are working with the pounds. Now click on it. It will take you to an interface where you can do the exchange. So as you can see, what we have to do here is to swap Great Britain pounds to naira. So by the time we swap it to naira, then we can withdraw to local bank account. So click on swap GBP. Alright, so you have balance to transfer from, so we are transferring from the GBP account to, so balance to transfer to, so we are transferring to Nigerian naira balance. Okay, now this is the exchange rate. As you can see right here, it says 1 pound is equal to 917.39 naira, which is very fair, approximately the Aboki rate. Okay, so amounts to swap. Now you can choose to swap maybe 5 pounds. In case maybe you have 100 pounds, you can choose to swap maybe half of it. Alright, but what we are doing tonight is we are swapping the entire thing, 5.75. I just needed to use this for the sake of this example, 5.75. Alright, and then now look at this. There is a fee of 0.06 pounds that will be charged. Okay, so Nigerian naira, I'm going to be receiving 5,219 naira 95 kobo. Alright, so you are going to click I confirm to be debited £5.75 to my balance. All right, so click on that and click on proceed. So as you can see, it says you've successfully swapped funds from GBP to NGN, which is Nigerian naira. So you will receive the funds in your Nigerian naira balance. So click OK. Got it. Now this is what we have to do. Now you have to come to your Nigeria balance. You see this now? Just simply come to this place with the green, white, green logo and then the NGN. So click on that. It should reflect immediately. So you see, remember when we started, the Nigerian balance was exactly 0 naira, but now as you can see, it is 5,219 naira 95 kobo. Now it's time to move this amount to my local bank account so that I can easily withdraw it. All right, it is not yet in the account, so I have to move it from here now. So what do I have to do? Now in this case, you see send Nigerian naira. Okay, so click on send Nigerian naira. Now before this time, you should have saved your local bank account. I will show you this in another video. Okay, you should have saved your local bank account in this particular gray account. Okay, so click on send to saved beneficiary. So I click on that right now. Since I have saved my local bank account already, my name will reflect. I use GT Bank, so your name will have to reflect here. So quickly click on that. All right, so amount to withdraw. Again, you can withdraw part of this or you can withdraw all of it. So I want to withdraw everything to 5,219 naira 95 kobo. Now take note, there is a standard 35 naira charge. So Gray always charge 35 naira for every local withdrawal. Okay, and which is a very fair one. As you can see, my account balance has reflected here because I already saved it. All right, so you can decide to enter description. It is optional. For me, I earn this from my Amazon account, so I can just write Amazon KDP. Now since 35 naira will be deducted, this is the balance I'm going to be receiving in my account, 5,184 naira 95 kobo. So click I confirm to be debited 5,219.95 to send. Alright, so once you complete filling the withdrawal form, you can click on proceed. Alright, okay, so Gray is going to send me a code right now which they've sent. So I actually activated a two-factor authentication code so that my withdrawal can be very secure. So authorized transaction. So wait for this to load. All right, so it says transfer successful. Okay, you've successfully sent 5,219 naira 95 kobo to, that's my name right there, then that's to my GT Bank account. So in a moment the alert is going to drop in my account, then I'm going to show you that. So click on this and we just expect it to drop. So as you can see, there's no more available balance, right? No more available balance, everything is now zero. So I expect to get this alert in a moment. So once it drops, I'm going to show it to you. All right guys, so this is the withdrawn amount from my Gray co account, which is 5,184 naira 95 kobo. So you can see from the description, sent from Gray. So if you follow everything I've shown you in this video, then you can easily withdraw your money from your Gray account to your Nigeria bank account. Alright, if you learned something from this video right now, please kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that each time I publish a new video, you can always receive the notification and then just get the value from the video. Thank you so much.